Hi, I'm Jennifer Nicely with Pinnacle Real Estate Academy. I am your go-to when it comes to real estate and real estate education. Today I want to talk to you about investing in real estate. Now there are videos all over the world on YouTube and your social media accounts, and even HGTV and Bravo portray that investing in property is super simple and you all should do it, and that at all opportunities you have, you should take advantage of it. But I want to give you an explanation of how you look at purchasing investments. It's not as easy as just picking one off of the market and saying, all right, I'm going to turn this into a VRBO, or I'm going to turn this into an Airbnb, or maybe even a long-term rental versus a short-term rental. So here's the main rule that you need to look at to weed out all of the properties that are not good investments versus the ones that are good investments. There is something called a 1% rule. Now, it's very simple math, so even if you're not fantastic at math, this one's easy. If you take the sales price, not what it's listed for, but what you walk away with, the sales price that you pay for the home, you want to make sure that you can bring in rent every month that is at least 1% of that sales price. Now, when you use this 1% rule, it's going to basically set you up for a profitable investment. Now, that's going to pay all of the expenses and walk away with an actual profit at the end of each month. Right now, with values being very high, interest rates being very high, there are very few homes that fit that 1% rule. Example, I'm going to list a property. It's a 2-bedroom townhome in a very good area. I'm going to be listing this property on Monday, and it's going to be listed for $339,000. Now, 1% of that means we would have to sell it for, let's say we do sell it for $339,000. We would have to rent it out monthly at $3,390. Well, for a 1,300 square foot townhome at 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, you're not going to pull in a rough $3,300 a month in rent. It's not going for that. It's going for more around the $1,700 to $1,900 price point. Therefore, this townhome is not a good purchase for an investor. So I, as a real estate agent, are not going to be geared towards marketing towards that investor. I'm going to be geared towards marketing to people where they would be purchasing as their primary residence. So just because you see a property that has a good bed, good bath, good square footage, good area, good schools, and everything looks good, it all boils down to that sales price and that 1% rule. So use that as your starting guideline when it comes to purchasing your investments. There's more to investments other than decorating a pretty house and throwing it on a third-party website like Airbnb or VRBO. You want to take into consideration the math, the sales price, the profit, the revenue that you can bring in at current market value. I hope this helps with your investments. As always, comment below, ask us questions. We're here to help you. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. We submit videos weekly and sometimes every other day a week that are free for you with free information. So subscribe today and follow us so you can get notification on our next email.